Hey, it's Billy and Amy bantering with the Boylans. We got two headlines today. Credit tips, how to make your credit better, get it up a little bit, and homes for sale are disappearing quickly.
Right, so let's get right into it. Credit scores, you all know it's important. It's how banks gauge how big of a risk you are. So the better your credit score, lower your interest rate, and it just looks better to a bank. So you can get more for your money with a better credit score. So
Excuse me.
obviously, 670 to 800 is good to excellent. If you can keep your credit in there, you're going to get the best interest rates. Obviously, up at 800, you're looking at the best interest rates, and there's down payment assistance programs and everything like that where you get the best deals.
Sorry. Swallowed bad.
But 640, you could be down to a 640 and still get a mortgage, get a decent interest rate, and take advantage of the down payment assistance programs that Nevada offers. And there are loans out there for even lower credit scores. You're just going to pay a lot more.
Right.
So if you can get it up at least to 640, you're in good shape, or you can go a little bit higher. The higher, the better, obviously. What else, Billy?
Sorry about that. My throat here.
You sound like an old man.
I swallowed badly before we started. Anyways, biggest factor, payment history. Man, we got a phone call coming in. We got it all going on. We got Jax and Rocco down here. Hazel's upstairs.
Sorry.
Payment history is 35% of your score. Keep your payments on time as best as possible. If not, keep it as close to the 30 days. Even if you're on the 28th day, 29th day, make sure it's posted. That's a big factor of your credit score.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, you don't want to go over 30 because that's
Yeah.
when you start seeing a little check mark start showing up on your credit report that comes in, and it shows 30 days, 60 days. So keep it under 30,
Right.
definitely. And then the amount owed, that's 30% of your score, and it's important. I guess you want to keep your balance under 30%, and that's like referring to credit cards, revolving lines of credit, and things like that.
Right.
So even if you use a credit card, get it paid off each month down to below 30. That's going to help your credit score.
Right. And the next is length of credit. That's about 15% of your score. So the length of your credit, if you got a card for a year, 5 years, 10 years, to keep it, don't close your cards. I know Amy said this kind of, here's Rocco here, and Jax can come up. It's kind of counterintuitive, right? Because you don't want a lot of credit, but you want to keep the credit cards. So don't close your cards. That's a big factor. And we got a great tip on lengthening your score from one of your family members.
Yeah, send us a message. We'll tell you a little insider tip on getting a longer credit history.
Yeah, somebody added 5 years and it added about 40 points to the score.
It can make
It was
a big
awesome.
difference. And let's see, credit mix.
Credit mix next, yeah.
So that's important. You don't want to just be credit cards or just a car payment. You want to have a mixture of, maybe a line of credit from the bank, your credit cards, a car payment.
Right.
That all goes to help build a bigger, fuller credit report, which makes a better score.
Right. Then you got new credit.
New credit. Okay, you want to get a credit card or go get a car payment, a new car loan or something like that. That's fine, but don't do too much at once. Because
Right.
each time it does ding your credit, and if you do a bunch at once, you're really going to take
You're
a hit on
sending
your
red
credit
flags
score.
up, yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe 1 or 2, and then wait a couple months, or 2 months, 3 months, and if you have to do something else. But
Your credit will rebound.
Yeah, the credit will rebound.
But if you're looking to buy a house, you really want to dial in on all these things and just be perfect all the way along to get your score up as high as possible.
So the bottom line is, don't fret.
Right.
We're here. We have some great people we work with, lenders that can give you all the knowledge you need, and we have some really insider tips we've learned from our personal case and from a lot of clients that we got some good tips from lenders, and we're putting into play quickly. And I just realized, when I was a kid, my nickname was Oscar Madison. I'm wearing a shirt with no button here. Hey, that's just me. Well, what are you going to do? I just realized I got no button there.
It's better than the shirt he first had on.
Yes,
That's all I can say.
Amy called it a moo-moo because it was used to be a triple, double act, and getting down there a little bit. But anyways, so don't fret. We have it here. The next is the headline: homes for sale are disappearing quickly.
Yes, definitely. I mean, there's been a lot of challenges in 2020, and what's surprising though, the real estate market is still booming. People are out buying, and the market is going strong.
Right.
Problem is, the inventory is low, and it just can't keep up with the pace of the buyers. There's just too many buyers for the amount of inventory we have. Houses are just selling fast, and it's tough out there for buyers. You need to move quickly, write good offers, and it can be hard to find your perfect home.
So one of the myths is, the winter months kind of slow down. The economists, experts, the real estate market will not slow down this winter. It's going to keep booming. So again, Amy, we got some good information and tips here for you. So that's you, babe. We're kind of going over riffing here. We got to go back and forth. It's your turn to talk now, buddy.
So, okay, so right now let me show you this. We get this report monthly from the Reno-Sparks Association of Realtors.
Right.
And they show the range and where the inventory's at. And inventory wasn't terrible, but it just can't keep up with buyers. And right now, as of October, there's only a half a month's supply of
That's
inventory,
crazy.
which is insane. I mean, we've had it, it's been a strong seller's market for
Right.
years. But right now, it's crazy. And people are moving to the state and we just can't keep up.
So in a normal market, you want 6 months inventory. We haven't been that in a long time. Even Amy was talking about the Real Estate Association of Realtors in Reno-Sparks. The National Association of Realtors, countrywide in October, it was only 3.5 months, and we're down to a half. But hey, there's solutions out there. We have some remedies for you. So what does it mean for a buyer right now? The biggest thing is be patient. Yes, you got to have thick skin because we've had a lot of buyers putting offers in, great offers, and they haven't got accepted. That's okay. We have your remedy. And again, it's the Dream Home Finder. That's the biggest thing. It's houses, and Amy will explain that very well. It's houses not listed on the MLS.
Right.
That's the biggest thing. We have your remedy.
Right, because there's houses on the open market. Like we said, there's some nice homes for sale, but it's competitive out there. Our Dream Home Finder program takes the competition out of there because
Right.
we're going and talking to homeowners that haven't listed their homes yet. You tell us what you're looking for, the type of home, the neighborhood, the amenities you're looking for. We go out and find that home for you through advertising and through our expense. And there's never any obligation to actually purchase or move forward. We find the homes for you. If we can make a deal with you and the homeowner,
Right.
that's great, but there's no obligation. And it's a win-win for the seller too. It's people that maybe want to sell their home, but they're just not up for going through the whole listing and showing process because it's a lot, especially right now with COVID.
Right.
Many people don't want to go through that. So it works out great for everybody.
Hazel's up there making some noise too, but anyway, yeah, so there's no risk. It's on our dime. And again, so what does it mean for sellers? Hey, the sellers are driving the market right now. They're in the driver's seat. You're getting top dollar on your terms, doing what you want to do. And we've had some sellers a little worried about this the last couple months. We've had a few sellers. They didn't know, they wanted to sell. We had some great equity and they wanted to upsize, but they didn't know where to go because everything was getting picked over, boom, boom, boom. So we did the Dream Home Finder. We got their, Amy will talk about in a minute, with our Head Start program, got their house ready to go. And we put went to Dream Home Finder. We did our online, offline marketing. We talked directly to the seller and we made a deal on that house. And then we put their house for sale and boom, it was in contract in 24 hours and we sold it. A couple of them we sold way above market.
Yes.
Way above list price, so it's awesome. So the sellers, I know if you're a little nervous, you don't know where to go, you want to take your equity. If you're upsized, you're downsized, we'll go through that in a minute. But we have some great stuff out there. We're doing a lot of good things and talk about some of our other programs.
So we understand, it's understandable why sellers could be nervous. You need to have somewhere to go. So that our Dream Home Finder program is great for that. And then we have our Head Start program where we come in to your home and do a walkthrough. It can be virtual or in person, and we'll give you a checklist of what needs to be done to the home to get top
Right.
dollar. It could just be painting, it could just be staging, or maybe new flooring, or it could be a lot of different things. And then we work through it with you what makes sense and where you're going to get the most return on your investment
Right.
into your home. And
Was that the concierge service?
then we're just introducing a concierge service where maybe you need to get new flooring in your home, but you don't have the money until you sell your house, which makes it a little difficult. So we have it where we take care of the cost of some of the repairs, and then you don't have to worry about paying for it until close of escrow.
Right,
So
and
it's a
Amy's
great
really
service.
good at picking what, if it's a countertop or it's a bathroom, the things that make the most sense where you get the best return on investment. Amy is really good at identifying it, and we take care of all the contractors, everything for you. We do it all.
Make it easy. We make it easy for you.
And then talk about
And then
our
we
new-
have a new
this
program
is
that's
very
going to be
exciting.
introduced in the next couple weeks. It's the instant, what is it?
Instant cash offer.
Instant cash offer. And this is where you can get an instant cash offer for your home at 100% of market value.
More phone calls. Amy's got bells going on. Busy, busy, busy.
So instant cash offer. So you get 100% market value for your home.
Right.
Instant, sold, done. And we don't want to, some people that offer these cash offers, they're going to come in and lowball you. And that messes up the comps for the whole neighborhood.
Right.
And we don't want to do that. And so this is something that we're just introducing, and we should have more information, be ready to roll with that in the next couple weeks.
Yes, we're very
So
excited
stay
about coming in
posted.
100% of appraised value. Very, very exciting. So we can cover you in all different ways. So whether you're upsizing, you're downsizing, you're getting married, you're having babies, you lose your job, God forbid you have a loss in the family, you got estate sale, whatever it is, we're there for you. We're here to provide info. No obligation.
No
We're not here to
pressure.
pressure. We're providing the info so you can make an informed decision. We have a lot of great programs out there. Nobody offers these. We're helping people. We're making things happen.
We
Go
have
ahead
a
and
great team of people behind us that we work with that can pretty much help you with any avenue of
Yeah, we
home
got lenders,
service,
we got
repairs.
contractors, plumbers, electricians, whatever it is, we find it out for you. We just had an out-of-state buyer couple, great couple, moving from northern Nevada. They bought a beautiful home up in Timberline in Carson City, over $800,000 home. We took care of everything for them: the inspections, the appraisal, getting contractors in there for bids for paint, cleaning out the vents, landscapers, tree work. We did it all for them. So all they had to do is come in. They saw the house online. They come in. We give them a key. Hey, boom! God bless you. You got a house. We took care of all that for them, so they can remotely. They're going to be still working at their same job, remotely working in Nevada, and they got a beautiful 2-office. They got a gym, whatever they need. We're here helping it, making it happen for them.
Yeah, we've been known to pick up a paintbrush, a screwdriver. We do what we need to do to get the job done for
Yeah,
us.
we just had a listing in Sparks. Great single guy. And Amy did some trim work, some paint work on the baseboards. I was out picking weeds. We got him $25,000, actually $25,200. I still can't. The buyer came in $25,200, and he guaranteed it over list, guaranteed. Boom, out the door, amazing deal, and we did whatever we had for the seller.
Yeah,
So go ahead and recap a little bit here, and we'll hopefully provide some good information for you.
So it's strong buyer's market. You need to move fast if you want to buy a house. That's why Dream Home Finder program is the way to go for buyers. Okay. We lost our signal for a minute. Sorry, guys.
We got it.
And then we've got our Head Start program, where we come in and we'll do the checklist for you and tell you what you need to do. The concierge, if you need help with affording some of the repairs, we can cover you on that. And then the instant cash offer, boom, that's going to be exciting as well. So we've got all that coming up. We can talk to you about anything. Send us a message, text us, call us, whatever you want. If you want some more information, there's no obligation, no pressure. You owe it to yourself to just get the most information you can, so you know what direction you want to go.
Right. So follow us on Facebook, like us, comment. Again, comment or DM us. We're going to put that, if you want to see more of the statistics from the
nice little graphs.
It's got graphs. It's got homes on the market. It's got a lot of good information. DM us, text us. We're going to put it on our website at NevadaHomesNow.com. You can get the information on the October market report and whatever else you need. But follow us, like us, comment, turn on notifications. We have a YouTube channel.
The Boylan Team, Northern Nevada Life.
And Instagram.
I never remember the Instagram name.
It's the Homes by the Boylan Team.
Yes, that one's just getting going. So yeah, please follow all of those.
Right. So we're making it happen, whatever it is for you. We're trying to, we're trying to get the most equity out of your home, get the best deal for your home. We're trying to make your dreams come true and build a financial future for you and your family. Billy and Amy, the Boylan Team.
Okay.
Have a great day. Rocco's here. Jack's, Hazel upstairs. Boylan out. Have a great day now.
Bye-bye. Thanks.
Bye-bye.